I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again, now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin, just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it.
Hey guys, and welcome if you're new here. I'm Norma, and in today's video we're going to be deep cleaning this super messy bathroom. So first I started off by taking all the shampoo bottles out of here. Next I'm going to be spraying it with this all-purpose bleach spray to disinfect. And I'm also going to be going in with this scrubbing bubbles spray, which helps break up all that soap scum, just that soap residue, and all those dry conditioner marks on my wall. And so I also love using this Dawn dish soap spray here that you'll see, and it just makes it 10 times better. And I love when I scrub, I just love having that soapy texture. Well guys, I hope y'all can get something out of this video and y'all enjoy watching. Thank you so much.
Spin for me. Won't you? Don't be afraid. Just let go of your fears, 'cause you know you can do it, baby. Dance them away. Now you know how it.
So for this part, I'm going in with a toothbrush, and what I usually do is when I swap them out, I keep one under the sink for this actual purpose because it's so gross in there and I hate using my Rubbermaid for this. And the toothbrush actually does a better job, I feel like, at just cleaning everything out because it's so thin and you can just get it in there. And then for my walls, I'm using this bath scrub, and it's actually extendable. I believe it extends up to 8 feet, and you can shorten it as much as you want.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, and you
So I never go and just mop beside the toilet. What I do is spray it with a disinfectant, and then I also spray it with this spray right here, and this is actually really good at removing tough stains. And I didn't show on here, but I use paper towels to wipe that off because I just hate using my mop since I feel like there's a pee residue. And so what I do is usually go in there with paper towels and obviously toss them, and then I go and mop. If you're one that leaves a toilet paper out for your guest, you can do this. Fold in the corners of the toilet paper, creating a triangle. Then you open your water faucet and you press against it. It creates this really pretty stamp that makes your toilet paper look a lot more elegant, and you even want to put it out on display for them. So then I have another hack. If you want your restroom smelling good, you grab some essential oil of your favorite and you put a few drops inside the toilet paper roll, and it has your restroom smelling so good.
Wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned.
tired of seeing those fire logs there, so I decided to place them here, and you'll see me just kind of mess with it and rearrange. And as the seasons go by, I just kind of switch it up here, and you'll see me walk away and take a look before I can leave it alone. And I didn't like it. It was sticking out too much, and I didn't like that there was so many and it looked kind of tacky, so I'm just gonna be laying them down and just placing them back in there. And also, excuse my daughter, she loves messing with these. These are some candle holders, and I just want to show y'all how cute they are. They have sound and light, and when you turn them on, the snowflake actually spins. They are so cute. It's way past Christmas, but I love them so much. I still have them up. They are, I don't know if I said, they are from Bath and Body Works, so they are so cute.